guys, so here we are at Deception Pass in Washington State. We're gonna be camping here for 2 days. Our first camping trip. Not here, but we are camping around this area. This is Deception Pass part, but we're going to the camping site. Right guys? Are you guys excited for your camping trip?
Yes.
You sound excited, yeah.
I sound very excited. I know. Ooh.
Yeah, what's in here too?
This is like a visitor
Ooh,
shop.
That's our house. That's our car right there. Ooh, look at that. Wait, is that a bathroom? Is that a bathroom?
Yeah, today's
It's a
Sunday.
nice day. Everybody here. Just got here. This is our campsite right here. Like super huge campsite.
Bro, your son is jumping because he said he was jumping.
Yeah, you can be. You can do whatever you want here. Get mosquito bite.
No. We stay for 2 days. I can hold my food here.
We got some shrimp at the shrimp shack. Look at, we got 10 pounds, a lot. And I made some sauce earlier. And check out our tent.
Look at the baby goes.
This is our tent. Oh, you guys are comfortable in here.
I set up the whole thing. So.
Oh, it looks so nice.
I know.
You like it?
I might actually regret saying that I won't like it.
Oh, that looks so comfortable, babe.
Really? I just thought you had to get the right one. You don't get the right one. It's only like five.
Okay, we are just camping.
Like the oyster.
How you like our camping tent?
You should go back to the
It's comfortable looking.
Well, you should go back to the video of
You can why don't you?
Lynn, Tony, and Tyson doing the trying snacks.
I know. Next time we could all you guys come out here. We can't even get you guys out here. That's why. Camping and then we grilling beef steak.
Slowly and eat.
Mm.
Yep. And drinking beer and milk.
Kaden!
Okay,
And our camping site.
What up? What up?
So Sunday's gonna put his camping.
Okay, my side.
His other tent out. Hả? Cái đó đó. Đó đó, em đi.
Không nói cái gì trời của mày đâu.
Cái gì?
Đâu đi xem bài nhiều mà.
Tao mắc cười lắm kìa. Thôi này nó lại
I
nhà.
got him. You want him? I got him.
Nó hai người với đi xào nó.
This one is
Bồ con này má. Ba đang đi trông cái đầu vậy đó. Giỏi.
Wow.
Không có nói bồ con á má.
AJ, call.
Okay, good morning. We all just wake up. Ate up. We're just gonna eat some hot pot. Had some hot pot right here. Quay chị Hạnh. Fried rice.
Sometimes my internet is bad because my data is like. Yeah, bro.
Nó tiếng hồi chút mới được, không được đó.
Nè. What's doing? You see that thing pop on?
True. That's called working out. Okay. Now you check points here and then. Then I go back.
He did.
Here. Go you there. Okay, and once I go here. And then I back up. I back up and then back up.
Okay, we are just down here under the bridge. Wow, thấy chứ xảo vậy? Hả? Looks scary. Ôi, It looks scary. Would you go there? I think I'm gonna fall off the cliff. Huh? So it's nice. Look at.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, yeah. And then we're going walking down the trail. It's an island right there. Looks like a hole. Nè, mới thấy cái lỗ không? Đây nè.
Cái mặt rõ hơn tao đâu có thấy lỗ đâu.
Đó, trong này nè.
Vô cái lỗ trong đó má.
Hả?
Vô trong đó.
Thôi.
Thấy sợ. We did all the hiking, come back out here.
What are we waiting for?
Cranberry Lake chứ không phải. Tưởng là cranberry picking.
Em mày nói mày bẻ cái gì ăn gì đó mà.
Không biết đâu. Đi đây mình coi cái lake đi.
Why don't you go ask is any cranberry
I
here?
thought you said there's cranberry picking here. Who listened to you? This is Cranberry Lake. Cranberry Lake, not cranberry picking, babe.
No, I know.
Hello.
There's a bald eagle up there, so
Oh.
keep an eye out.
Keep walking, you'll see.
Oh, okay.
It smells good in here!
Oh,
You see that? How people get the camping chair, just sit there fishing.
yeah, why don't you get the championship if we got a whole bunch?
Oh my god, you just told us not to.
It's a cranberry, right?
Oh my
I
God.
thought that was about to go in there to go pee.
Yeah, it is. It's a cranberry, right? This one's a cranberry.
No. No, hồi nãy mình thấy mà.
No, that is cranberry. This is cranberry, right? Yeah, that's cranberry.
Ừ, em cũng tưởng là cranberry đó.
My shoe is touching the wall.
Who wanna go swim?
Me. Can I swim? Me. Not me. Me. Look how dirty it is, bro. Look how dirty it is. Look how cool it is. It's dirty. No, there's fishes in here. Do you want the fish to eat you? Yeah. I want to fish and poop. That makes no sense. I want to fish poop.
Okay, now we're back to a campsite. Cooking. We got pork sticks, fried rice, watermelon for today. Over there's grilling the same thing.
Lẩu lát nữa mà nấu bây giờ nóng quá. Con nó bỏ vô thêm nó không? Hồi mình chén rồi nó nhanh mau.
This is the lake where our campsite is. We are walking to the store. We're walking to see all the beautiful nature. And getting mosquito bite.
Does it
The
look good?
kids are doing s'more right now.
Oh, that's really good, man. Look at that. No, little bit more.
A little bit more, yeah. Doing s'more with the kids.
I'll do it now in like 1 minute.
My mom's Koi. She said that we're like in our camp
This is-
tent
okay.
right now.
Okay, show everyone this. This is the bug market, and I did it every single day because flies.
Koi, put that down. Can't even see.
Okay, anyways, flies keep going over there. So like,
We're getting ready for bed now.